In Port Elizabeth. Actually, it has just been wrapped for the day. During the initial trial, presiding Judge Mandela Makaula recused himself. That was after it emerged that certain state witnesses were staying at a guest house owned by his wife. During the trial, Omotoso's defense also implied that Judge Makaula was biased towards the first witness, Cheryl Zondi. Omotoso and his two co-accused, Zukiswa, Sitho and Lusanda, Sulani, face a total of 97 charges, ranging from rape to human trafficking. Let's now cross to Jayed Leigh Paulse for the latest. Jayed Leigh, a quick process this morning and matters have wrapped up already.
That's very true. For very brief, court proceedings with the new judge, Zukiswa, taking the judge's seat, as well as the defense lawyer, Peter Doberman, and state prosecutor stating what they want to come out of this week. We saw the defense coming through, defense Peter Doberman, saying that he wants more particulars with a certain application that was supposed to be filed on the 19th. Natasha is just showing you live visuals from outside of court with some of the placards that are being hoisted by the Jesus Dominion International Church members. They have been here since 7 o'clock this morning, throwing their weight behind the man of God, Pastor Timothy Omotoso, who they say is innocent and did not commit these crimes. But back to the court proceedings, Doberman saying there that he wants applications to be filed by the state with more particulars, and this is going to be a compelling indictment. You would know that when they when they issued those applications to the Constitutional Court last year and the Supreme Court, which they lost, the defense, those charge sheet indictment, the quashing of the charges was the most important thing that the defense wanted. They want some of the charges on that indictment quashed, saying that there were irregularities or contradictions with regards to when Omotoso actually sexually assaulted Cheryl Zondi during her testimony. So we are going to go back to that when we resume tomorrow in court. The state and the state prosecutor and the defense lawyer Peter Doberman will meet behind chambers, and they will be discussing that indictment. So Doberman saying there that he wants a postponement so that he can go through that indictment and formulate proper arguments. And the state prosecutor Neva and Tel were agreeing that they needed more time. But very interesting that we have a new judge as well, Desiree Zukiswa. She's a female judge, and there's a lot weighing behind her, a lot of confidence as well in her. Just chatting to some of the lawyers who have been also following the case, I had some conversations with them, and they are also saying that she is very stern. So it's going to be interesting to see what comes out of the trial in the coming days. But the postponement is on the cards until tomorrow, and we will resume at the Port Elizabeth High Court tomorrow morning at 9:30. Scenes from the Jesus Dominion International Church members. They are going to be stationed here for a while. They are having several church meetings, prayers, and calling for the man of God, the man that they say is the man of God, Timothy Omotoso, to be released and possibly get bail.
Thank you very much there from our colleague Jayed Leigh Paulse. Another